What is the value of this? First we can write this is the 16. So we can write this is the 25 minus 9 and this is the 30i this up, and 25 is the, we can write the 5 square, and 9, this is 9. So this we can write, we know the I is equal to the minus 1 and I square is equal to, this is the minus 1, and now this is the 9. So this is the minus 9. So we can write this is the minus. So we can write this is the plus and the minus 9. You can write this. This is the plus and this is the bracket. This is the minus 9. And now this is the, we can write 30i. This is the, so this is the 5 square and plus, and this we can write this is the minus 1 into 9. So minus 1 is the I square. So we can write I square in 9 and 30i. You can write this. And now this is the 5 square plus this is the I square and 3 square is 9. So this is, we can write 3i square. You can write this. This is the 3 square and this is the, and now this 30 you can write 2 into 5 into 3. You can write, and this is the I, this is the, and now this is the 5 square, 3i square, and this is a 3, this is 5. So 2ab and this is a square and this is the b square. So this is the formula is 5 into 3i. This is the whole square. This is, and this is the half. And now this cut. So there is the 5 plus 3i. So this is total is 5 plus 3i. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.